In Tampa Bay, Chief Meteorologist Bobby Deskins joins us now. And Bobby, we are in desperate need of that rain, and we have a little in the forecast.
A small chance, and we're keeping it at about 10%. Maybe by Saturday we bump that up to about 20%. We'll have to see. There's this thing, when you're in a drought kind of begets drought. And so even when you do get the rain chance, the air is so dry because the ground is so dry and eating up the moisture in the atmosphere that it's tough. But we're going to heat up, and we're going to get higher humidity as we work our way through Thursday, Friday, and into this weekend, and that should help us try and pop up a few afternoon showers and storms each day through the weekend. Now, we've had some rain down south. Everything's quiet here in our neck of the woods. In fact, it's pretty quiet down south. This is the last 12 hours. That old frontal boundary stall down there, and look at the rain they saw, especially down towards Marco Island, south of Alligator Alley. So obviously not a lot of rain, but some folks did get at least some. For us, at least we're getting the cooler air. It's really comfortable. 63 right now in Crystal River, 68 in Wesley Chapel, 70 in Tampa, and 71 in Sarasota. But these numbers are going to drop quickly, and we're going to be in the low 50s, Hernando and Citrus County, and some models suggesting 49 degrees, Inverness, away from the water. Yeah. Now, the winds have died down, but they'll stay up about 5 to 10 overnight, and then tomorrow they will come back up, okay? We're going to get a little bit breezy, just like we were this afternoon. 50 for Crystal River. That's why I say close to about 49 for Inverness. 53 in Dade City. It is going to be chilly tomorrow morning. 60 in Bartow, 62 in Tampa, and 63 in Sarasota to get our Tuesday started. And then after that, it's dry air. It'll warm up nice. We'll go to the mid-80s for highs, which is about where we should be. I think about 84, 85, and 84 is the average for this time of the year. Here's the wind right around 2:30. It's east-northeast. It's gusting in the lower to mid-20s, and it's about 10 to 20 on average for the steady wind. And then in the evening hours, we will get a pretty good easterly surge out over the Gulf. So if you are planning to take the boat out, we have small craft advisories, and especially the highest wind just offshore, 5, 6, 7, 8 o'clock in the evening hours. Now, let's talk humidity because it's comfortable out there now, and that's the reason why we have that fire danger, right? Because it's so dry. Tomorrow's dry. Same thing on Wednesday, although it's starting to creep back up. But Thursday, Friday, Saturday, the humidity comes up, plus the temperature, so you start to get a little bit of that summertime feel. We're dry Wednesday, Thursday afternoon, 10%. Let's go to Friday afternoon, Saturday afternoon, and then again on Sunday afternoon. But this is actually a weak front coming through that'll push through and actually dry us out as we get into next week. But heat us up, and I think next week's even hotter. Upper 80s to near 90 most of next week. If you look at this, we're going to be comfortable the next couple of days. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, mid-80s with some humidity. Look at Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, and we dry out. Now, it's a little off in time now, but most of the models suggesting that next week is going to be hot. All right, so here's the 7-day forecast. You know what? I mean, other than the fire issue, of course, this is nice weather. Breezy tomorrow, less wind on Wednesday, so less chance of seeing that red flag warning, but still dry, right? 83 on Wednesday, 84 on Thursday, and then we creep up a little bit towards the weekend, and it's going to feel like the upper 80s to near 90 because those dew points are coming back up into the mid-60s. Do that rain dance. See if we can squeeze some rain out this weekend.